Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Anda dah ready nak buat belian secara online? Jom kita follow step by step video tutorial yang saya dah sediakan untuk anda. Tapi sebelum itu, make sure anda subscribe ke channel saya ya.
For new Unit Trust client, they will go through account opening process. The first page is for login creation. Fill up all the required fields. Click Proceed. Next we'll go to personal details. Fill up all the required fields. Click Proceed. It will go to contact details. Fill up all the required fields. Click Proceed. Then is employment details. Fill up all the required fields. Click Proceed. Then you see confirmation and declaration. Please check I'm not a PEP to declare if you are not politically exposed person. PEP. Click Submit. You have successful open an EPF members investment scheme MIS account with us. Record your account number and click OK. List of funds selected from I-Akaun are displayed here. Tick here to agree the terms and conditions. Click Proceed. It will go to member authorization. Tick to confirm the submission. Enter the tag provided by the transfer gateway. Click Proceed. You can see a summary page. You can choose to click Print to print out or click Next button to proceed. The receipt page will display the details of transaction. Lastly, you may choose to be directed to I-Akaun or E-Unittrust.